Hello, this is a short tutorial on how to install the Freesoul WordPress theme. And once you made your order, you get your order confirmation with your email. And here it looks like this. And you go to your order confirmation and click here to download Freesoul. You download the theme and you save it to your computer. Then you go to your dashboard, to your WordPress dashboard, to your WordPress installation where you already installed WordPress on your server with your domain name. And from here you go to Appearance, Themes, and you click on Add New. And you upload the file, Upload Theme, choose File. And you upload the file we gave you in the email and you click on Install Now. And this takes a moment. And once you see this screen, you click on Activate. And this is already everything. Your WordPress theme is installed. And you have now the possibility to go and choose and install the demo content by looking the short explanation video in your backend and clicking on one of the demo sites that you chose to install. Hope this is clear and have a lovely day. Bye!